7 waterfalls. It is another world. Yes, a planet encapsulated in the mist, far from environment, population, and the noise of cities. They are in the protective forest Cerro de Hayas, to know the 7 Cascadas, a tourist attraction of Naranjal, just 2 hours from Guayaquil. Before arriving in Naranjal on the Pan American Highway at kilometer 15, if you wish to have a breakfast, there is a small kiosk that sells corn tortillas with cheese or pork rinds, accompanied by tea, coffee, or milk for $1. Recommendations: do not bring dogs or other pets. Do not carry soap. Do not bring alcoholic beverage or cigarettes. Fires are not allowed. The entry or shops is prohibited. Take care of nature. Open from Monday to Sunday from 18 a.m. to 15 p.m. or talk. Thank you very much.